So you decided to improve your drumming abilities. Maybe you want to become a working drummer, and today we live in a time where the quantity of information isn't really the problem, but it's knowing how to navigate through it. There's so much information at our fingertips. How do we choose where to start or what to do to attain our goals? Hey, I'm David and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Drum Corner. Here I'll be sharing with you videos about designing incredibly practical, step-by-step and fun ways to develop technique, vocabulary, coordination, musicality, and musicianship, some of the major ingredients that make for a successful working drummer. In addition to going over some drum technique, we'll also be including the ways that science and philosophy connects to drumming. I'll be drawing from my 20 years of experience as a professional drummer and educator, and from the things that I learned at Humber College when I studied with this guy, and this guy, and yeah, this guy too. I've condensed my experience into a training series where I'll reveal my most efficient and effective practical drills and exercises for your drumming. No matter what style you play on this channel, I'll show you how to create practice steps for drum concepts, so that you can be a better musician. My goal is, instead of showing you an idea, I want to show you how to build your own. Each week, you'll get a brand new video based on the practical world of practicing drums for the gigging musician, or for those who just want to play for fun but also want to see improvement in their skills. So if this sounds like the exact thing you need, then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell with a flam so you know when I'm posting. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the drum corner.